Alright guys, so we're gonna get a stock speed test back on the Recoil 2 heat wave. It's really windy today, so it'll be good enough to get a speed test. Stock prop, and then I got another prop we're gonna throw on it, so we'll check.
I don't like this fucking cold right here.
Okay, so let's see what we got for speed. And it didn't work. Oh, peak, so we got 40 kilometers per hour. So I wonder how I change that. Kilometers per hour. There we go. So 40 kilometers per hour. So now we should be able to figure out what it actually is. I'm not gonna throw it back out there. I'm just gonna throw my other prop on. It is a little weedy here, so it's not the best conditions. Here is the new prop. It's Octura X442. Make sure you guys turn your bolts off when you're doing this. Alright guys, Octura X442. It looks faster to me. Check and see it.
32.
Shut the fuck up.
Prop house full of
On your
weeds.
fucking. Oh,
Nothing because this is burnt up now.
so I won't be doing that again.
Fuck, it's hot.
That's the smell of this you're smelling.
Yeah. Oh, what was your speed?
Fucking 30. So what's 40 kilometers per hour to, let's just do this then. Old GPS mishap.